Today, we'll show you how to change the output ports on your Nature's Generator MyGrid 10K from 120 240 volts to 120 208 volts. 120 208 volts is commonly used in commercial or industrial buildings. Start by checking the voltage output using a digital meter like this one. You should see readings around 240 volts and 120 volts, confirming your current setup. Next, press and hold the generator main power button to turn off the AC output. You'll know when it's off when the load bar indicator disappears from the screen. Now, press the enter button to enter the setting menu and locate code 40. Press enter button again to confirm the code and use the up or down button to change the value from 180 to 120. This updates the system configuration for 120 208 volt operation. Once that's set, press and hold the generator main power button again to turn the AC output back on. The load bar indicator should reappear, confirming the output is active. Double check that code 40 is now set to 120. This ensures the new voltage setting has been successfully applied. Finally, use your meter again to verify the voltage. It should now read 208 volts and 120 volts, confirming the update is now complete. You can use the same steps to change it back to 120 240 volts. And that's it, you successfully changed your MyGrid 10K AC output from 120 240 volts to 120 208 volts. For more tutorials and product guides, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us at Nature's Generator.